Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I've got a really cool video for you. I'm going to show you how to use Generative Fill for free. And not only is it free, I'm going to show you how to use it on an iPad or your iPhone. In this case, I've got a picture of this lady here. It was a stock picture. And I put a pink hat on her head, which was obviously not in the picture. And I'll show you that because if I hit cancel right here, you'll see here that this is Generative Fill, and this is all done organically on my iPhone. So how the heck did I do that? Great question. Let's get in. The first step is you need to go to firefly.adobe.com. I'm going to put a link in the description below, but just in case, you need to go there. And then the second thing you need to do is you need to sign in. Now, I want to note up front here that this is a free account that I'm using here. There's no cost to it, at least at this time, July 12th, 2023. May change in the future, but probably not. Okay, good. So I've signed in. If you don't have an account, you're asked to join, but you don't have to pay for anything. Now, the next thing you need to do is you can go down here and you'll see a few different options, but the one that we're working with today is Generative Fill. So I'm gonna just scroll down here, and again, links in the description below, click on Generate. And when I do that, you'll see here that I get a few options. Two good ones here. One, I can upload my own image, or you can work on one of these default images just to try it out. In this case, I'm going to upload my own image. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on an image from my photo library, let's say. And then I got a picture of my bulldog here somewhere making faces at me. There we go. Look at the friggin' mug on this guy. He just had some teeth surgery. I love him to pieces. So this is Kingston, and this is a picture off my phone. I'm going to click on Done. And then presto, it loads it up. Now, obviously, it's not quite zoomed in, so I'm going to use two fingers. That's what she's... Okay, I'm going to use two fingers, and I'm just going to zoom it in a little bit. I got to not tell that joke. Okay, good. And let's go with something like that. Okay, so it's zoomed in, and you just moved your two fingers apart, and presto. Now, what you need to do next is you can just sort of color, like you just make sure that you've got this on the left side here. You'll see that there's a brush tool. Just sort of select what you want. Like I'm just going to maybe... I don't know, maybe I'm going to move his face here, and I'm going to give him something like, I don't know, a soother. I don't know, I'm just being silly here, but did I spell that right? And then yes, okay, so I'm going to click on Generate, and this is just one example of many. I'm just going to wait for it to run through, and let's see what it comes back with. Whoa, geez. Okay, that one works. The first one did not work. That one kind of works. That one is rough. So, okay, we'll go maybe with, well, whatever. We'll go with this one. This one's kind of funny looking, even though it's not quite right. Or this one, whatever. You can just now go ahead and keep it. And then, literally, you can go up to the top here. And if you want to copy it, you can copy it. You can publish it if you want to publish it. And more importantly, you can download it. So this is how you download. And then you just need to go ahead and click on continue. And then there we go. Now you've gone ahead and done a Generative Fill for free on your phone or your iPad or your tablet. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.